Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete ParkMobile account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your ParkMobile app, and then once you're inside your app, what you need to do is tap on the settings on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you're here, what you need to do is tap on this option that says chat support, because there is no direct option to delete your account through the ParkMobile app or website, but you can request account deletion by contacting customer support. So what you need to do is send an email on the support@parkmobile.io and then request to permanently delete your account. You can also call ParkMobile customer service at the given number and request account deletion. When contacting customer support, include your account information and then request confirmation. Clear any payment information, and then once that's done, wait for confirmation. ParkMobile should respond within few business days to confirm the deletion of your account, and then once that's done, you will have successfully deleted your account. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.